Hello everyone, this is Mr. Brocklehurst. I'm here to show you how to make a box and whisker plot today. Brought to you by Kapow Productions. So first thing I'm going to draw your attention to is I have this old data of grade 7 student heights and I'm comparing it to student ID numbers. The first thing you want to do is select the student height column, that's column B there, and then come on over to Insert and then find the box and whisker plot menu there. Okay, once you've found that, you go ahead and insert that plot and you'll find that it looks like this. Pause as necessary. I'm going to go ahead and bring this chart over to the corner here, like so. You'll notice that the box and whisker plot is in vertical format, no big deal. And there's also a paintbrush up in the corner there, and that will also be handy to help reformat it. When you open up that paintbrush, go ahead and choose the bottom option of those choices. That's the nicest of the formats. At this point, you can also move over to color and choose a different color. Pick one of your choice. Now, let's go ahead and zoom down to the bottom here of your chart. You see a label on the bottom axis there of a 1. I'd like to delete that as well. That's not useful at all. Next, let's go into the chart title and give it a new title here. I'll show you the one that I give it that's more representative and more informational. Next, I'd like to select the vertical axis and make it a little bit more friendly. What you'll see here is that there's no data above 180, so I'm going to go ahead and limit that so that the top of the graph is 180, and there's no data below 100, so I'm going to bring the minimum up to 100 so that it's not so stretched out, or squished, I should say. Finally, you'll note that there is an X inside of the blocks there, and that denotes where the mean is located. There is also a dot down below, and that shows you where an outlier is located. If you hover over them, you'll see their values.